Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD LTZ Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, tow hooks, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Google Assistant, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as your seat memory with the dark wood and chrome accents. Moving on to the seats, we're going to use premium leather heated seats, both driver adjustable. Left side, you're going to have ventilation. Below that will be your drive mode selector, 2- and 4-wheel, and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, as you can see, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, as well as your trip computer, gauges, adaptive cruise control, all that fun stuff, as well as you can access music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, classic column truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Like I said, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps as well. As you can see, you can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your bed view cam. You can also access Amazon Alexa, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and your trailering as well. Below that will be your exhaust brake, lane departure warning, your park assist, and hill descent control. Below that will be your trailer brake controller, dual zone climate control with the heated ventilated seats, 2 USB ports, and the center console. Lots of extra storage up top. Wireless charger pad with 2 more USB ports and an AC charger. Lots of extra storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable as well, heated and ventilated, same leather finish. That dark wood and chrome goes all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access the reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, as well as your power sliding sunroof. So your new blacked out 20-inch wheels on BF Goodrich Baja Champion all-terrain tires. Comes with the Z71 package and the Duramax and Allison transmission badging. These big tow mirrors, paint match keyless entry door handle. Got the side steps as well, and the monochrome Trail Boss badging. The black corner step bumper as well. Big exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. You got the multi-flex tailgate as well. And it's the back here. 2 LED lamps with the grab handle, as well as an AC wall charger, around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you got more paneling and storage thanks to the speaker. Power window with the wooden chrome again. Here, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side, as well as you're going to have rear cup holders, rear heated seating, USB ports and ventilation, as well as right in the center. More cup holders and armrest, storage behind the seats, storage under the seats as well, clamps on top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD LTZ Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as BF Goodrich Baja Champion all-terrain tires, tow mirrors, tow hooks, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Google Assistant, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. See you